On today's Teton Quick Tip, we're getting tasty. Tasty with energy balls. The great thing about energy balls is 1, they give you energy. 2, they're balls. People have been asking me, Braden, do you have to bake these? Not in my house. You'll need 1 cup of rolled oats, a 1/3 cup honey, a 1/4 cup flaxseed, 1/2 tablespoon of cinnamon, chocolate chips, cherries, or blueberries to your liking, and a 1/2 cup of almond butter.
Put them all together.
Now stir. If you haven't eaten them already, cover them up and put them in the fridge for at least a 1/2 hour. Now that they're out of the fridge, roll them up. If they're a little sticky, roll them in some ground flaxseed. That's it. Make sure to store them in the fridge. And that's today's Teton Quick Tip. Get outdoors and enjoy life.